with another one. Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. We're at the back of the vehicle on the bumper, and today's video is to show you how to remove the tag lights. And we're going to put in LED smoke tag lights. Very bright. I think there's 6,000 or 65K. Alright, let's check it out. So here's the bracket that goes on the back of the light housing, and let's see, here's one of the lights. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. See the difference? Totally different. You see that? Yeah, so we're going to install these. Alright guys, so to remove these tag lights, we have to remove the brackets from the back side of the bumper. Alright, let's go underneath. Alright, so this right here is the back side of the tag light. You see it has this metal bracket that's around it. It's holding this housing into the bumper. You have to pull this back to get this out. To disconnect the actual wires, you just gotta press right here, press it in, and then just pull back. Alright? Or you can just turn it like this and pull the whole light out. One of the two, whatever way you want to do it. It's easier, it seems, to pull the whole light out. All right. So, like I said, to get this off, you're gonna have to wiggle this thing until you can get it off. But I'm gonna take something and push it from here to push it off. All right. So we pulled it off. It's right here. See that? You're gonna pull that bracket off. Now this whole light should just push out. See that? See how easy that is? That's technically it. When you install the new light, you're gonna slide that new bracket back into place to hold this housing in. Okay? Alright, so now we have the lights loose. Just pull the whole thing out. We don't need those anymore. Same thing. Both lights come out the same exact way, and we're going to install the new LED ones from the outside and then put the brackets on those. Alright guys, so we got one in and we're going to put this one in too. The first thing you want to do is, this is the ballast. You want to connect this. You're going to connect it just like that. Alright, this is going to go through the hole. You're going to have to zip tie this up to something in the inside. We're just gonna put that through the hole. Oh yeah. This part right here, that plugs up to the light. So that's gonna go in where your light bulb is. Take your light bulb out and slide that in. Just like that. That's how it's gonna look. Now what I'm gonna do is go up under the truck, and I'm gonna put the locking braces on and plug everything up. Alright guys, so once you get the light bracket in, you're going to put this metal bracket behind it. It's going to slide. Make sure that this is pulled all the way through. See that? This is going to go behind that. Just like that. See that? You're going to put it behind it. Make sure it's behind both sides, and then push it on. Alright? Alright. So right here is where you're going to slide this part. So that part right here goes in there. Alright guys, so that's how I got it set up in here. You can see. Same with the other one. And that's it. Got your new one here and your new one here. Let's see how they look. And there they go. You see them? They look good. So everything's connected. Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. This is how you remove your old light brackets, put in new ones with LED lights. And that's it. Alright guys, I'm out.